Oh, hey everyone. How's it going today? Whew. How you doing, buddy? Doing good? It's about 90 degrees right now, so we're going to start picking up camp a little bit before it gets too hot today and pick up a few things and get them packed away so we can get out of here. You saw in my last video why there's a good reason to get out of here. When nature decides to come visit you in your campsite, it's about time to get going. You know, there was a nice snake. It was a gopher snake, like I said. It was nothing, but it was a little eerie and scary whenever the snake comes crawling through in your camp. So anyway, we're going to get ready to pack everything up. We got a couple more days, so no big hurry. Pack up a few things, and then get everything put where it needs to go and get going north. We think, Zen, are you about ready to? You ready to get in the air conditioning and then get going out of here? I think you are. Like I said, it's been pretty comfortable for them. I've been keeping them inside the air conditioning. And kind of nice, but like I said, it's still early, 90 degrees. We had the air conditioner started a couple hours earlier today, so it's down about 80 now inside. So we're going to try to beat the heat. Didn't get to do that yesterday. We had to go to town and didn't get started till almost noon, and that messed it just got too warm inside the bus, but it did cool down finally. About 4 o'clock when the sun goes down, it really starts dropping down. You can tell the temperature. But we're going to start picking up this camp. Think we'll find any more snakes or scorpions or tarantulas. I hope to see a tarantula. I would like to see a tarantula. At a distance, of course. Came out to walk Zen on an early morning. It's about 6:30. Nice and cool. Pretty calm, and the sun is coming over the mountain. We'll finish our walk and get back and start taking down more camp. After coffee, that is. Well, Mr. Vevor, we meet again. You almost beat me when I had to assemble you. Now let's see what happens when I have to take you down. But at first, I think we'll do coffee and make a plan. Well, after some studying, it's like I've got to take it down opposite the way it went up. So which fracture straps first, panels, pull the top down, pull the sides in, and it should fold up. So we'll see what happens. All right, Mr. Vevor, let the fun begin. Let's see who's going to win this round. I think first we need to take the door panels down. I think I have to take the door braces out too. Look and see. I think the door braces were the last thing I put in here. Let's see here. All right, let's see what I got to do here. There you go. There's one. There's two. Now, if we can grab the top, pull it down, see what happens. Oh, goodness. Oh, get. Oh. Maybe we're supposed to pull the sides in first. I don't know. It was opposite the way it went in here. Maybe this way. If I just pull down a little bit on the sides. Here it goes. There it goes. There we go. We had to break the tension, I think. Hold on. Ow! Oh! Oh! Well, top is down. And pull the sides in. May want to see if I got a way out of this thing. I think if I work my way back this way and get to the door before I get closed in there. Whew. Well, we're getting there. All I can do now is pull up the tent stakes, but you got to make sure there's no creepy crawlies under here. That's where the scorpions would be at. So far, looking all right. Keep looking though. Well, these stakes are in pretty good though. All right. Oh, yeah, these are in pretty good. Pretty good. I think we got one more, two more. And then we can fold the thing up, shake it off. And I just ripped that one right out of there, didn't I? Well, anyway. Whoops. I grabbed the wrong thing on that, ripped out the steak, the eyelet. Well, there you go. Another dog crater. Goodness gracious, Zen. You dug up everything, didn't you, buddy? There's a piece of my bike lock. Look at that hole. Back to filling in more holes. We'll work on that and we'll get it smoothed out so we can get out of here. And a lot of dog fur. There we have it. Canopy's down, bagged up. Took me 2 times. I forgot to put stuff in it the first time. Anyway, bagged up twice. The area is scraped down, cleaned up the hole. Zen's over here. We're getting ready to go inside and enjoy some air conditioning and hit the shower. Whew, getting dirty out here. And that's where that canopy's got to rest up. In the shower after we get through. That's where it travels at. So let's get around here and get inside where it's going to be a little cooler. Oh, we just came out here to put some gas in the generator. And get the air conditioner running again. Came over here in my gas can and look what I found. Look who's back. Yep, somewhere in there is our little gopher snake, or a gopher snake. I think that's a smaller one. It is a baby one. Yeah, it's a baby one. There's the head of it. So that must have been Mama we saw earlier that came through here, but that's all right. You can just stay right there. I'm not bothering you. It's underneath an old gas jug, which I'm going to throw away, but yeah, I came out to say snakes are back again, so it's about time to get out of here. We're starting to get infested by snakes, but that's a good thing. Those are good snakes. So with that, we'll say thanks everybody for watching. See you on the next one.